Yo, what's good? Part two. Come on. It's cold out here. Come on. Got the dog in the snow. She's trying to catch up to the Timbs. She's trying to bite the strings. Come on. Cold out here. Blizzard. And they like, yo, Mel, you out here walking the dog in the snow? Hells yeah. Come on. And my dog is free. Come on. I don't know if y'all seen my last video, but that's a habit I got. Dropping the leash. I'm gonna learn my lesson, but fuck it. Look out. Come on. We like wolves. We make our own way. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Tell him, Kira, we cut from a different cloth. Let's go. We don't need no handouts, somebody shoveling our way. We make our own way. Let's go. Let's go, Kira. Let's go. Let's go. You already know the drill. Let's go. We got this. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Hold on. Let me wait. Seen the car coming across that street. No car coming. We got this. Oh, man. Come on. In here. Let's go. Over here. Come on. Let's go. We works over here. Come on. We'll grab the leash. Hold on. You stepping on the leash. Come on. God damn. Cold out here as a bitch. Come on. This is how PvP finest bullies do it out here. Yo, we ain't like these country boys. Right about now, South Carolina, they be wearing shorts. Wearing shorts, they come up here, they think it's below zero. The Arctic. Down there, they think it's the Bahamas. They think it's the Bahamas down there. So they wear a little jacket, couple of pair of shorts, white t-shirt. You know, country boys be living it up. South Carolina, Greenville, Rock Hill, Charlotte, Columbia. Y'all be acting like it's the Bahamas down there. Real talk. Y'all be like, F us New Yorkers. I don't consider myself a New Yorker. I might talk like one, but still, I don't consider myself a New Yorker. You know, we got a street named after us in Columbia, South Carolina. Look it up, Knighton Street. Come on. So, all y'all goddamn South Carolina folks, y'all be like, New York is cold. New York is the Arctic. Because y'all treat down there like the Bahamas. Y'all think y'all be sipping wine coolers and goddamn mosquitoes and all that. And goddamn Shirley Temples and all that. Thinking y'all the uppity class, man. Y'all barely see snow. Y'all see snow, man, y'all die. Come on, let's go. Word. I got this wire swinging because I was listening to some music. You know, I'm about to take the wire out so it can stop swinging. Yeah, like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know.